While Aire Embroidery, you work with the needle of an old sewing machine and a transparent thread to sew onto the fabric all kinds of materials. And here you see how it is done step by step. You draw lines on the fabric and you fill it in with different colors, different types of threads. So here you see old vintage green and cream and a touch of dark green. I always like to use at least 3 different threads. So what you really want in your design is to make it look interesting. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you can add some personality to it because it is still embroidery by hand. So every leaf has a slightly different shape. You don't count your threads, you don't count your stitches. You go with a certain flow and you build by experience a rhythm in your embroidery, which makes it look better and better by time. As you can see, I added some beads and pearls on top of it to give it a little shine, a little bit more depth and richness in materials.